When viewing a worksheet with a large amount of data in the WPS spreadsheet, we can't see the title row if we drag the scroll bar. Therefore, we won't be able to know exactly what each column of data represents. So how can we freeze a row or column for us to check it more conveniently? Today I'm going to introduce you to a practical feature, freeze panes. Take this table as an example. Click the Home tab, then click the Freeze Panes button. You can see that there are three options. The first is Freeze Panes, the second is Freeze Top Row, and the third is Freeze First Column. Let's look at Freeze Top Row first. Click Freeze Top Row, then the top row of the table will be frozen. If we want to unfreeze, just click Freeze Panes again and click Unfreeze Panes. The Freeze First Column feature works in the same way. Just select Freeze the first column, and then the first column of the table will be frozen. So what should we do to freeze other rows and columns? If we want to freeze a row, we first need to select the row below it, and then do the settings. For example, we now need to freeze the two rows A1 and A2. Then we need to select the A3 cell and click Freeze Panes. Now the first option becomes Freeze to Row 2. Click Freeze to Row 2, then drag the scroll bar. We will find that the first two rows are frozen now and will not be covered by other rows. Now, what if we want to freeze a row and a column at the same time? For example, we want to freeze row A2 and column A at the same time. First, we need to find the intersecting cells of the next row and the next column. The intersecting cells of row A3 and column B. Click cell B3 and click Freeze Panes. Then the first option will change to Freeze to Row 2 column A. Now just click it and complete the settings. Combining this feature with reading layout can make it easier for us to view data. If you want to learn more about using reading layout, you can watch more related videos in our WPS Academy. These are the introductions on the function and method of freeze panes. Did you get it?